Love is all I got now, love is all I got, I can't live. Love is all I got, only love in my life, love is all. Love is all I got, love is all I got. Live life with love and trust that love will come down to earth and save us all. Love is all I got, I can't live with everything I've lost, because love will come to save us all. So save us. Wake your soul with love in the morning, feed your soul with love till the evening, expand your soul with love on the weekend, cause love is all I got. Wake your soul with love in the morning, feed your soul with love in the evening, expand your soul with love on the weekend, cause love is all I got. So wake your soul with love in the morning, feed your soul with love in the evening, expand your soul with love on the weekend, cause love is all I got. Wake your soul with love in the morning, feed your soul with love in the evening, expand your soul with love on the weekend, cause love is all I got. My darling, I can give you what you want if what you want is love. Darling, I can give you what you want is love. So save our soul. So save our soul.
About to give you a lesson in food right now, okay? Shrimp looks good,
but don't taste as good.
Don't feel good. I'll tell you what though, chicken looks good
and tastes good,
tastes good, feels good, motherfucker. Get you set up right for the day.
Take it to the jaw. Take it to the jaw.
Chicken for days, son.
Christmas 2015. Christmas 2015 on the beach in Thailand. Oh yeah. Oh, cheers to that. Cheers to that. Present time.
Schultz, my gift to you to save me like waiting, and because I know you do drugs, I got you.
Oh,
A fucking dope one.
I know where he's already. Fuck yeah.
I didn't even think to wear it like that. I just see that he knows.
Oh, yes, yes.
I love being a twat. And part 3. Bandana. The most turbo hat I can find.
You love to
really nice and sincere things.
Just got full turbo. So when I need to have a little nap in the club. You might have to cover up your legs for a bit. This goes.
Oh man, it comes with dreads.
Yeah.
They're pretty sick.
I went headgear theme for Christmas. Okay? Headgear theme for Christmas.
It's a strong thing.
I've got you. We're just chilling on Bottle Beach today. About to hit a waterfall in a sec. Alex left us. Alex left the tour early. Unfortunately.
This motherfucker went home on New Year's Eve.
Basically what we did was go on a bar crawl
Of our
own invention. Made up and down our beach in Bantai, and literally the next day he threw up about 4 times. Yeah.
Bad showing from what?
Man down, but the tour must go on, eh? John Lennon, yeah?
I'm Johnny Depp. Also Noob Dog.
Yes.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year, man.
This is my brother from another mother. It's true.
Yeah, we're just taking the last few days on Koh Phangan. We're gonna head to Koh Tao, do a bit of scuba diving, swim with the fishes, head out to Bangkok.
Yeah, if you don't see anything from us after Bangkok, it's because Bangkok has us.
Yeah.
Part 3 of the Nature Watch. Whatever part we're on, I can't fucking remember. Yeah, we have a big ass motherfucking lizard. I'm not sure if this is a goose or not, but it looks goosey enough to me.
Oh, hello Goose. We found the first goose of the tour.
How you doing, Goose?
Do you want to join the tour? So Mike's taking us on a bit of a detour down the back streets of Bangkok.
We potentially might be getting lost here.
Hello kitty, 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 bye kitty, 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 kitty.
Schultz, did you steal the swing already?
Where's the swing gone? I wanted to catch your man, man. Wildlife episode. Wildlife episode number 6.
Well, I know which one out of the 2 I'd be calling Dumbo, and it's definitely not the elephant.
We're going.
You're the best. We found another outdoor gym. Bangkok has delivered.
Stay strong while you're on the road.